Hey guys, it's me, Tailman, also known as Happy I Prefer, and today we have a pretty cool gun. I like it, it's probably one of my favorites. The Smith & Wesson Model 29. So, here's the question. Are you feeling lucky, punk? Probably not, but whatever. So here it is. This is not a request, this is just my own leisure. I actually made this just on my own. So this is, pretty cool. Sights. There you go. Front sight's also colored, but it just can't show it because of the lighting in here. Cylinder can move, and it can flip out. There's the bullets. It also has a trigger, and here's a little cool thing. Yes, it has a movable hammer, but when you pull the trigger, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Nothing special. If you've seen my cardboard revolvers, that's pretty much the same mechanics, except in paper. Rounded grips. I'm not sure if that's a feature. Should be more common sense, really.
Guys, the thermal drill. Go get it.
Just got a text message. I am not professional. Anyway, so yeah. So I guess I did make considered quote-unquote attachments. I'm not sure, you make the call here, but you can take out the bullets. I'll just take these out real quick. Oh, it's stuck. I have a moon clip, not a magazine, but a moon clip. Yeah. So put these in here. Dropped it. There we go. There we go. Speed reloading. Still spins, and just for a little bonus, I decided to make another one, so here we go. There we go. Those are the speed moon clips, or moon clips if you want to say it, and yeah, pretty fast reloading for a revolver. I'm not sure if you want to consider these attachments, but or accessories or whatever. I can't get it to load. Yeah, sometimes they don't. There you go. Go in. But that's about it. That's the Smith & Wesson Model 29. I'm still not sure if I ever fired 6 shots or only 5. So there we go. Yeah, there you go. My name is Tailman, also this Happy Hour. And as always, you guys, be chill.